Good evening. My name is Danila Morozov, and I am the member of the working group number 1 of CA18110 project, Underground for Value project. In today's video, I'm going to show how to add objects to the database. Let's begin now. Now we're sitting at the sign up page where you need to sign up. The process is very easy. You need to press your name or username. I would prefer to use my current name and surname, my real names and surnames, your email. Then you need to set the password. It can be any more than 8 signs. Then you need to type the password again and the language of the database which really want to use. Currently, there are 5 languages, as you can see: English, Italian, Portuguese, Romanian, and Russian. Other languages are now in the process, basically. So let's move on to the creation of object. So basically, to create the object, you need to press this button, create object. You will see this menu. In this case, you can see the main language of your text. It can be chosen very easily. For example, let's use by default English, but there are lots of languages because we have implemented already the system with using the Google translation. After it shows language, you can type or copy the name of the object. It is mandatory. It is very important because if you don't have the name of the object, you will not see the actual object. For example, let's use Underground Valletta for this example. And very important part is description. Keep in mind that in the future we'll be having 2 plugins, one for tourists and the other for professionals. On the current stage, we do have the tourist platform. So basically, you need to type or to copy the description of your object. It is also mandatory. As you can see, this is the example of the text. If your object has opening hours, press and type opening hours. For example, we have this kind of Monday, Wednesday, and Sunday. It is going to appear on the main page of your object. Then you need to choose the type of object, which is also mandatory. At the current stage, we have 9 types: landmark, service, public transport, medicine, food, active holidays, shopping, accommodation, and specific objects. Inside, you need to choose which object belongs to the group, which group belongs to your object. For example, let's choose museum, building, and unclassified, for example, and archaeological. Let's choose one. So these types are going to be appearing on the main page of your object. Also, if you wish, you can choose tags, for example, WC or Wi-Fi. Then you can type your address. Then site URL, which is not mandatory. If we talk about alias, you can send your unique name of the object. It is going to appear in the domain page. For example, Malta Underground. Let's try to write down. Then you can choose. When you can press your phone number. You can copy or even type your phone number in this place. Also, you can type here email if you wish to. Or for example, my email source. Also, you can add your social networks. At the current stage, there are actually 6 social medias: Facebook, Telegram, VK, WhatsApp, Instagram, and Odnoklassniki. But implementation of other social media, of Twitter, for example, it is not implemented yet. Actually, you can type your location, name of the place, or you can type the geographical coordinates. It appears automatically on this map if you try to copy the geographic coordinates. Let's do that. And as you can see, this spot is already on the map. So it is very easy. You can also add your YouTube link if you want to. You can type your link in the YouTube. It is going to be appeared at the bottom of your page of the object. You can also add external links in which you can type your link or your URL. It is very important. And you can upload images. Let's try to do that. It is taken from my computer, basically. When your picture is downloaded, you need to press either it is your own photo or photo from external source. Keep in mind that if you choose photo from external source, it is mandatory to type the source or either the link to the page from which your photo was taken. And if you wish to, you can write down the description. For example, let's write Museum of Archaeology. If you want to attach your audio, you need to have your audio on your computer if you want to attach one. Also, the same happens with PDF files. And after you have done all the job, you can finish your working on the pressing save. And the information of your object has been appeared in the database. So basically, this is how the objects are created. And now let's see which results are you're gonna see. For example, let's choose this one. This is the typical example how your page will look like. As you can see, the name is on the top of your list. Then you can add to the favorites if you want to. The user can add favorites. Then you will see the tags of the object. Here are tags, and here is the group of groups of object. Then you can see here the address. Then website. This is going to be sending to the link of the website, as you can see here. Then you will see the email, which user can copy. Then you can add here opening hours. It is not presented here, but it will be showing actually as a text. Then you can add your mobile phone, and the user, as a result, user can copy that. And then, if you have your social media, it's going to be appear under the contacts page. As you can see, we have Facebook here. And you will see the author of the user who added actually this object. For example, this object was added by Giuseppe. And here is the description of your object that everyone will be reading. Then everyone will see under that location, which these are geographical coordinates of your object. And then users can give some comments. So basically, this was the guide how to implement your objects into the U4V platform. It is very easy and simple, as you can see. Thank you for your attention.